Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. And before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now, let's get started with our warm-up. Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. Now, before we start today's lesson, let's get started with the warm-up. We're going to count to 10 in Korean today, okay? Repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, let's start rotating our arms. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Other way now. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's swing our arms inside and out like this. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good. Let's start rotating our neck like this. Make sure it's nice and loose. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, yeah, awesome, very good job. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to start putting our hands on our hips. We're going to rotate our shoulders forward. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, let's take this arm. Let's go across our body. Pick it up like this, stretching it just like that. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way. We're gonna keep going. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's take one hand like we're scratching our back like this. Take the other hand, push our elbow down. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Let's switch to the other side. Keep counting. Ready? 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and start stretching out our legs a little bit and put your feet together, hands on your knees. We're gonna bounce down and come back up. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good job. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this, hands on the knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, now we're gonna bend one knee, pick one foot up like this. Ready? I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now have both legs straight like this. Good. Make it star shaped like this. We're gonna go down to one side. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Go to the other side. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Now this time cross your arms, head down to the middle. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome job, you guys. All right, shake out your hands, shake out your legs. Good. All right, get started with the lesson. Jadiet, Kenya. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start the lesson. Hi, everybody. In this part of the lesson today, we're going to do over a double jab round kick combination. Okay, so hands up, fighting stance. Awesome. So we're going to double up with our left hand. So I'm going to say double jab, round kick. Okay? Now that seems pretty simple, except this time we're going to change up how we do our round kick. So sometimes we're going to go double jab, inside kick. Sometimes we're going to do double jab, body kick. And then sometimes we're going to do double jab, spinning round kick. Okay? So we're going to do all three of those kicks. So again, it's either going to be inside, it's going to be body, or it's going to be spinning. all the way with the kick. Okay, does that make sense? Awesome, good. All right, hands up fighting stance. And double jab. And which one is it? Inside kick. Good, nice. Double jab. Body kick. Good, nice. And double jab. Spinning kick. Awesome, good, good, awesome. All right, now we're gonna change up the order. Ready? Double jab. Good, and body kick. Good, good job. Again, double jab. Inside kick. Good, good. Again, double jab. Inside kick. There you go, good job, good. Try to keep up with me. Double jab. Spinning kick. Good, double jab. Spinning kick. Good, good. Double jab. Spinning kick. Awesome, good job. All right, now this time we're gonna do all 3 kicks. We're gonna go double jab, 1, 2, 3, spinning all the way around. Okay, that's a triple combination. We're gonna do this on a boss battle. Okay, against the boss. All right, here's a boss battle we gotta face. We're gonna do that same combination. If we do it successfully, we'll defeat the boss. Okay, all right, ready? Hands up, fighting stance, and double jab. Go inside, body, spinning. Good, again, go. 1, 2, inside, body, spinning, good, good. And go. Inside, body, spinning. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Very good work today. See you in the next part of the lesson. Awesome job, you guys. Let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. All right, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can. And when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. Great job, everyone. High five. Awesome. I know that workout might have been pretty tough. Now, hey, you guys did an awesome job. Now, the lesson isn't over yet, so I'm going to give you guys about a minute to take a quick water break. When you come back, make sure you guys continue with the lesson. I'll see you guys soon. Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way.